During the pandemic, the way we are eating, the way we are preparing our meals has, of course, changed a little bit. So today, I believe it's important to be flexible on one hand, but on the other hand, also to really still stick to a plan. Very often, when our habits change, our rhythm changes, we get off our planning. So planning is all you need. No matter if it's once a week that you're meal prepping or maybe twice a week, but plan for it and also have always a little bit of contingency ready. So, sometimes things are not available that quickly nowadays. You cannot just dash out to a shop because maybe you're in lockdown or the online ordering takes a bit longer than usual. So just make sure that you have that extra day to have everything ready, and also work with things like frozen vegetables or so, having in your freezer ready to go or a ready-made meal.